Hello, daily viewers of me. Yay! Anyways, there's an old forest in the game that is corrupted. It's exactly like the old forest before they revamped and turned it into this. But it's here, and what if I told you there's two ways to get there? Now, number one way to get there is to go the generic way. Disgusting. Which is going through that crack in the wall and doing a ton of goofy woofy. Or the better way, the way I invented, is this way. I'm gonna show you step by step how to get back to the closest thing we're gonna get to Old Forest. So you want to basically get your hook shot, the teleport gun, and umbrella. Now you need to get your hook shot like that, and then do this, and you should go through the ground. It might take a couple tries. Then you just need to kind of go on this wall until you get up to where you can step on this. And now since this invisible wall is still here, you can walk on here. So you just kind of need to go all the way up here. Now if we jump over here, this loads. Oh crap. And then this is where the old, why did I say old? The lake is, as you can see. So we basically just need to go up this. And it doesn't really matter how you go. You just need to just go forward. And remember, do not go down. Let me get up here. Do not go down in that direction, because that will result in you getting stuck. Because a lot of bad things happen when you get stuck. You basically, once you get to that top of that mountain, you're basically there. And then you might want to walk up this so you don't die once you get up here, but you should eventually just, once you get up here a little more, once you get like right up to the tip, it should happen. Yep, right here should be it. Oh wait, what? It has not. Alright, let me just try. No, why is it? But sometimes you might just have to. Why is it not? You might have to go up this side to do it. No, why have I still not made it? Oh, yeah, I hit the trigger. I hit where it was. So, we still have the mountain hitboxes, but we also have these ones. So, this is what the old forest looked like for anyone. Nah, JK, this is not what it looked like. But this is the same layout, but glitchier and white. So, we just gotta make our way this way. There are some floaty hitboxes everywhere. But you kind of just want to find your way over here. And then you need to go this way. And oh, I'm stuck. Now you just need to go along this direction. Okay, and then once you're here, with the umbrella, this is why you need the umbrella. But one of the reasons why you just need to jump. And then you need to use teleport gun to get down here. Okay, now we're back into Old Forest map. Now, you might say, oh, this looks nothing like Old Forest. Like, where's literally anything that was in Old Forest? And what if I'm telling, well, like the old map. What if I'm telling you it's right here? Now, I'm gonna cut this out, so I don't want to spoil that much, but that's all I'm gonna spoil before I get in there. So, spoiler alert, if you want to witness all this magic for yourself, then I would recommend just watching the way to get in there and then not watching the rest of the video. But you can do whatever you want. Here we go. Like, see, this is Old Forest. It's all here. I put another video out on just being in there, and there's a huge invisible wall so you can't go to any of the maps, which is kind of dumb, but also kind of makes sense, because why would you want to go in there if it's just like all mush and like corrupt? Anyways, so since we're outside of the border, we want to go down to where Old Sewers was, down here. And then you just want to go through here, and it's just whiteness and void down here. You want to jump out